Hey everyone, my name is Charmaine and I am a project manager at IS Compliance. So at IS Compliance, we support manufacturers, exporters, and importers by managing end-to-end regulatory compliance, including product certification and market access requirements for Saudi Arabia under the SABER scheme. So today, I'll be giving a brief overview of the KSA SABER scheme, which is the mandatory product conformity system for goods entering the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So the SABER system is managed by Saudi Standards, Metrology and Quality Organization, commonly known as SATSO, and it applies to regulated and non-regulated products intended for import and sale in Saudi Arabia. So to begin with, let's look at what SABER actually is. So SABER is an online conformity assessment platform used to demonstrate that products comply with applicable Saudi technical regulations and standards. Its main objectives are to ensure product safety and quality, protect consumers and the environment, to streamline and digitize the import and customs clearance process. So all products imported into Saudi Arabia must be registered in the SABER system before customs clearance. So now that we understand what SABER is, let's move on to how products are classified within the system. So products under SABER fall into two main categories, the regulated products and the non-regulated products. So regulated products, these are products covered by specific Saudi technical regulations. It requires both PCOC and an SCOC, or the Shipment Certificate of Conformity. For non-regulated products, these are products not covered by any specific technical regulations. Still require some fewer technical requirements and an SCOC. So correct product classification through products HS code is very crucial in the KSA, as it determines the testing, documentation, and certification pathway. So now let us look at the main certificates under the SABER scheme. First is the PCOC, or the Product Certificate of Conformity. The PCOC is issued for each product model for regulated products under specific Saudi technical regulations. It confirms that the product complies with the applicable Saudi technical regulations such as safety, EMC, energy efficiency, or sometimes RF requirements. It is issued once per model, though family approvals are also allowed. It is valid for 1 year. It is required before any shipment certificate can be generated. So this certificate is typically based on test reports, technical documents, and product evaluation. So the second one is the Shipment Certificate of Conformity, or the SCOC. So this SCOC is required for every shipment entering Saudi Arabia. It links an approved PCOC to a specific commercial shipment. It is issued per shipment. It is required for customs clearance. It confirms that the shipped goods match the certified product. So without an SCOC, Saudi Customs will not release your shipment. The third one is the ICE, or the SIRC scheme for electrical products. So for regulated electrical and electronic products, SABER accepts the ICCB scheme, also referred to locally as SIRC. So this simplifies compliance by allowing internationally recognized CB test reports and certificates to be used as the basis for Saudi approval. This applies to many low-voltage electrical products covered by SASO technical regulations. Fourth one is the COCCST under the RF scheme. So for products with radio frequency technologies such as WLAN, Bluetooth, cellular, or other wireless functions, COCCST is usually required. This certificate ensures compliance with the CST requirements and must be completed before or alongside SABER registration, depending on the product scope. Course. So some products with an RF function does not need COCCST but PCOC or ICE only. So everything will depend on the product's HS code to determine which approval is required for a specific product. The fifth one is a self-declaration for non-regulated products. So if a product is not covered by any Saudi technical regulation, it may fall under self-declaration. So in this case, the importer declares compliance directly in SABER without third-party certification. The documentation must still be available if they request for it. So to summarize, the KSA SABER system applies different schemes based on product characteristics. PCOC for regulated products, SIRC or the IC certificate to support compliance for electrical and electronic products, COC-CST specifically for RF and wireless products, and the self-declaration for non-regulated, low-risk, and non-RF products. So correctly identifying the applicable SABER scheme is essential to avoid certification delays, shipment rejections, and compliance issues when entering the Saudi market. So this overview highlights just some of the key elements of the KSA SABER scheme, but in practice, navigating SABER can be very time-consuming and complex, particularly when multiple regulations, RF approvals, and shipment timelines are involved. So by partnering with LU's compliance, manufacturers and importers gain access to expert regulatory guidance, end-to-end SABER support, and a streamlined certification process designed to reduce delays and avoid costly compliance issues. So whether you are preparing your first SABER registration or managing ongoing shipments to Saudi Arabia, LU's compliance is very well positioned to support your market entry and long-term compliance strategy. So thank you, and I look forward to supporting you with your SABER compliance requirements.